Oh no, I can tell you.
Wow.
That would come on Direct TV, I think now. Line up. Yeah, really. It's in TV2. They have Rick Ross on it.
Oh, like it's still coming on?
They have Rick Ross on it.